everybody. It's Heather with It's a Salty Life, and I just went on my lunch break and the doorbell rang and my FabFitFun box came. I'm so excited. This is my favorite nail days ever, and so I wanted to open it up. Sometimes I have to wait a couple days to be able to do the video, but today it was just perfect timing. So let's see what kind of goodies we have today. So this is my spring box, and so this says, oh, so there's going to be a delay with one of my items, but it will ship soon, which was a candle. So looking forward to that. So that'll be a little extra goodie coming. All right, so open this up. What do we have? Look at these super cute earrings. Oh my gosh, they're black tassels. Look how cute they are. How fun for spring. All right, here is, all right, because I can never, this is Dermelect, and this is, oh, it's for your nails. So for visibly damaged nails, which I absolutely need. How do they know all these things? Like, that's what kills me. Like, they're amazing at knowing exactly what I need. So, oh, it's trying to focus. But this is gonna, okay, so it's Dermelect Makeover Ridge Filler. It combines 2 extraordinary anti-aging ingredients in one innovative treatment. I'm gonna have to use this today because my nails are pretty destroyed after I picked off my dipping powder. Bad, Heather. You should not do that. It's not good for your nails. Ooh, and then we have some skin perfecting lotion, which is fantastic because I'm almost out of my lotion. So this is perfect timing. Lightweight, oil-free, provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract. That is pretty amazing. I am quite excited about having some new moisturizer because, like I said, I was about out. Okay, here's a little, look at this cute little bag. Let's see what's in this cute little bag. Oh, look at some of these. It's a lip mask. How cool is that? I have seen so many people doing lip mask, and I've wanted to do one for a while. So get ready for some silly pictures of me doing a lip mask. What a cute little bag they're in. Love it. All right, what else we got? Ooh, so we got Dove Exfoliating Body Polish with crushed macadamia and rice milk. Ba-na-na-na-na. So that's awesome. So some body polish. Everybody could use a little of that, right? All right, what is this? So this says Rachel Polly. I'm probably supposed to know who that is, but I don't know who anybody is. So we're going to find out here in just a second. Oh, look at this little bag. Oh, how cute. Oh, it's so pretty. It's yellow and mauve. And it's got like a little pocket. I don't know if you can see, but it's got a little pocket on the inside. How cute. So I guess you can carry it like this, or I'm sure my little newsletter tells me all about how to use it. So I have to dig into that. Oh, look at this. This is a Free People mask. Oh, and it's like got some, it feels like it's got some weight to it. Let's see. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's nice. What's in there? Oh, it's like a cooling gel. Oh, it's a cooling pack. And it's got stars on it. How amazing. It says with love from Texas. So this is from Free People and Understated Leather, because the front of this is leather. All right, what else we got? Oh, we got some blow dry protectant and heat protectant. So, and this is a brand, I've gotten some stuff from in my FabFitFun box before, and I really like it. So, blow dry protectant is awesome. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And then what is this? Ooh, a lip statement palette. Ooh, what kind of lip statement are we gonna make? Let's see. So, oh my gosh, look how pretty. Look at those pretty colors. I just dropped a little lip brush. Those are so pretty. We're definitely going to be making some lip statements with that. All right, let's see. I got, I think, 1 or 2 more things in here. So, let's see. Looks like one more thing in here. Oh, look at this. This is a massage roller. Oh, nice. Give your muscles some sweet relief after your workout. This, look at that. That's going to be pretty awesome. Let's see. Let's see. Roll out. That feels good. I'm gonna need Jay to, like, you know, rub this on my back every night and use this after all my workouts. So that's cool. They roll independently of each other, and they got these little, you know, knobby things on there. So pretty awesome. Especially as we start back into really the workout season, where, you know, I can, like, go outside and run, because that's where I like to run, is outside. And it's been pretty cold and dreary here. So very pumped about this entire box. I love everything in it, just as I usually do, because they do such a fantastic job of really giving you the stuff that is for you, because you do a survey, you know, change it in there and stuff. So you're not, usually do get stuff that's more suited towards you, but it always amazes me, like, how on point they are. So that's the spring edition of the FabFitFun box. Super pumped I got to open it the day it came, and I'm so excited to try out some of these products. So I will make sure that I take silly pictures in my lip mask. I will let you know how the blow dry protectant works, and definitely I'm about to break this baby out to put on my nails to get them, help them heal a little bit faster. So yeah, that's it. So I will review the products as I use them and let you know what I think. So have a great day. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.